Hey, my name is Smer, and today I'm going to show you how to use messages to communicate with students and families in SpacesEDU. From the Messages tab, you'll see the option to send messages via a channel or a direct message. Channels are pre-created message groups that allow you to send updates to all your students and families, or just students tied to your class. To send a channel message, select the channel type and type your message. Remember, you can decide whether to include photos, videos, audio recordings, files, and links. Messages don't need to be text only. Adding multimedia can make them more engaging and accessible. Looking for more private lines of communication? No problem. Clicking plus message allows you to send a direct message to one or more students, family members, or a mix that works best for you. To send a message, select the recipient from the list, click Send Message in the top right corner. You can also include multimedia in direct messages, like a video update, a voice note, or maybe a shared resource. Within a channel or direct message, educators can choose between one-way communication or two-way communication. To enable two-way messaging, open the conversation window and click the toggle switch to activate messaging both ways. Want to confirm if your message has been read? Click any direct or channel message to open the thread, then click the word Read beside the timestamp on a message. You'll see, under the Read tab, who's seen the message and when, under the Unread tab, who hasn't viewed it yet. This gives you a clear view of engagement and reach. That's your introduction to messages in SpacesEDU. Now it's time for you to start communicating with confidence and clarity. Let's get started.